Day 5 of 100 cybersecurity tools. Today we are diving into the SpiderFoot, one of the best tools to automate ocean collections. Like a ocean's robot, it connects to source like a Shodan, Have I Been Pawned, Whois, Virus Total, and more. Then gathers everything you want to know about your target. With our 200 modules, it's a super customizable. Use the command line or go graphical with the built-in web interface. And here is the GitHub profile, which is have a SpiderFoot, and here there is the features like web-based UI or CLI based and 200 modules, Python 3.7 plus version, and here all the informations about these tools. And this is the fully automated tool. You just type your domain and gather the informations. SpiderFoot is a great for red teams, bug bounty hunters, and blue teamers scanning their own attack surface. See you tomorrow with another tool.